What's up, YouTube? So this is everything I've done to my 450Ss. Sorry I don't have like installs of some of this stuff, but yeah, I got more videos coming. I'm actually going to be showing the installs this time of all the mods, and then once I do all that, then I'll have a new updated mods list, but figured I'd make this video before I do all that, obviously. So to start off, got a 50-tooth rear sprocket. Got off of AliExpress. I mean, just more torque. Easy to put the bike up. That's the only reason I got it. You will need a new chain, obviously, because it's a bigger sprocket, but yeah, I got a stock 14 in the front. So the crash cage, got off of AliExpress. It's only held on by 2 engine bolts, and then it's like mounted to the frame. The top bolt's pretty easy, obviously. It's like right above the shifter. And then the bottom bolt, it's right underneath the sprocket. You can get it. It's a pretty easy install. This is what it looks like all together. Obviously not on the bike, but if you look at the pictures and then you see what I did, it'll make sense. So my exhaust, I got it from eBay. I just like it because it's a deeper tone and it just sounds good, I guess. I mean, it's cheap. Obviously I didn't put the stickers. It's a fake Yoshi, but yeah, I like it. I did have to make my own mount for it, but other than that, it fit perfectly fine. Oh, I got a fender delete kit with the blinkers from TST Industries. It's easy to install, plug and play. They have a video on their YouTube that you can watch, and it's step by step how to install it. Just gets rid of that OEM fender. So for my throttle, I ended up going with a Domino Racing throttle tube and cables. Only reason I did that is because it just has a shorter, I don't know what you would call that, throw. So I don't have to break my wrist to go full throttle. Just like it, and it's like made out of metal, so it's pretty sturdy. Not cheap plastic. For the front pegs, brake pedal and shifter pedal, same thing, got off of AliExpress. The brake pedal goes like right on top of the OEM one, so you don't have to remove anything. It's an easy install. And then obviously for the front pegs and the shifter, you got to take them off, but it's the same thing. They're pretty easy. 1 bolt. The brake and clutch levers, I got them on AliExpress or eBay. I don't 100% remember, but there's a picture. I just got them because they're shorter and they have the adjustable knobs. Sliders, AliExpress, they're CNC and they're thick. I just like them because they're actually useful. The other ones are plastic, the OEM ones, so it's the only reason I got those. My wrap, got off of Amazon, just any type of wrap. I was gonna wrap the whole tank, but I got lazy and just did a strip, and I'm probably gonna take it off soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are all the mods I got for the bike right now. I do have upcoming videos where I'm going to be doing some new stuff, so look out for that. But hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you later. Deuces.